Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Me. In today's session, we're diving into Chapter 3, Syntax and Data Types in C. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how C programs are structured, how to use variables and constants, what data types are, and even how to convert between them. So let's get started. All right, let's begin with how a C program is structured. Every program you write in C will follow a certain pattern, like a recipe with specific steps. Here's a simple example of what a C program structure looks like. Hash include stdio.h is like a toolbox. It gives you all the tools you need for basic tasks, like printing to the screen. The main function is where the actual instructions are written, and return 0 is like saying, I'm done. Now let's talk about variables. Variables are like containers where you can store data. Imagine you're baking a cake. You need bowls to hold ingredients like flour, sugar, and eggs. In C, variables do the same job. Here's how you declare a variable. Int length declares a variable to store an integer value. Then we assign it a value using length equals 10. Constants, on the other hand, are values that don't change. Think of them like the size of your cake pan. It's fixed and doesn't vary. You can declare a constant using const, like this. Const float pi equals 3.14. C provides different types of data for different kinds of information. For example, int stores whole numbers like 10 or -5. Float stores numbers with decimals like 3.14. Char stores single characters like a. Double stores larger decimal numbers with higher precision. Each data type has its size and purpose, much like how different utensils serve different roles in the kitchen. Sometimes you need to convert one data type to another. This is called typecasting. For example, if you divide two integers but want the result as a decimal, you'd use typecasting. Here's how. Int a equals 10, b equals 3. Float result float a / b. This converts a to a float for the division and ensures the result has decimal precision. Let's put all this together with a real-life example. We're going to write a program to calculate the area of a rectangle. Here's the program. In this program, we first declare variables to store the rectangle's length and width, as well as the area. We use scanf to take input from the user. The formula for the area is length width, and we cast the result to a float to ensure decimal precision. Finally, we use printf to display the result with 2 decimal places using cent.2f. For example, if the user enters a length of 10 and a width of 5, the program outputs the area of the rectangle is 50.00. And that's it for Chapter 3. You've learned how a C program is structured, how to declare variables and constants, and how to use different data types. Plus, we wrote a program to calculate the area of a rectangle. In the next chapter, we'll take things further by exploring operators and how to perform calculations in C. Trust me, this is where coding gets really fun. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Code with Me for more awesome tutorials. See you in Chapter 4.